Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got here one of the rarest muscle cars on the market. They made 628 RT convertibles total. Then you break it down with automatics, 4 speeds, or whatever options. They made 628 altogether RT convertibles. This one here is numbers matching 440 automatic with factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, factory red with white. It's a special car. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that we have for sale. And that's at volocars.com. But for right now, I got the top down. Why don't you go for a spin with me in this 67 Coronet RT. Comes with this nice picture board, so when you're at the car shows or cruise nights, you can bring that with. It's nice to have. This car may have been an older rotisserie restoration because the underneath is extremely dry, clean metal. I mean, even up behind here, it's original. It doesn't look like it's been patched or replaced on both sides. The drain plugs are there. Spotless, dry, original metal. And it's all been painted red. And I don't just mean they painted over everything. The brake lines and all the components were off the car when it was painted red. Now it doesn't look fresh, so it's either a really, really clean survivor underneath there or it was restored years ago. But rust-free metal painted red underneath this car. There's pictures on our website. And overall, this car, I'm going to say it's in good condition, to be very fair. The body, again, is outstanding. Look at the gaps on the doors and around the hood and the fenders. All the gaps are spot on. They're in excellent fitting condition. The body is clean, straight, nice body. The paint job is very glossy. Under these lights, as it's going around, I can pick up on a little flaw or a little dimple or something minor here and there. Outside on a sunny day, you walk up, it's going to be striking. The chrome on the car, the bumpers have been replated. The rest of the trim, I'm going to say, is good, original. Original antenna, original moldings. They're straight. Looks like original windshield. Got a little freckling on the door handles. Stainless trim's nice. Got minor freckling on the chrome here. These are original 15-inch Magnum 500s, so they got a little bit of dullness in there. Stand back, all you see is a shiny chrome wheel. BFGoodrich tires, of course. Tail panel's exceptionally nice. This is not pitted up. This is really nice and shiny. The black is painted real neatly, so that's exceptionally good. The white convertible top, it's power. That's in excellent shape. Now inside the trunk is really nice, solid, clean metal. Looks like the original quarter panels. Does have a new mat. I think this is the original red paint in here. The spare tire goes in the floor. They got a fat tire, that's why it's kind of bulged up. The original tires, remember, were skinny. But good, solid trunk compartment. Does have a spare underneath the mat there. The white seats have been reupholstered. Carpets have been replaced. And I'm going to say the rest of it's in good original condition. It does have the center console. I see the lights working. The whole dash area. The chrome's a little bit yellowed, but nothing's broken or drilled. It has the factory radio, factory air conditioning controls and vents. So a nice, well-kept, good interior. The weather strips are good. They're not new. They're soft. There's a tatter right here on the edge. Motor compartment's real nice. It is the original motor, the best we can tell. I've lined up the dates and casting numbers, and it's all proper for this car. They didn't have actual matching VIN number in 67, but it's the correct motor as far as I'm concerned. And it is the Magnum. It's a 440, 375 horse, factory air, power steering, power brakes. Everything looks proper. All the hoses and wiring and alternator and washer squirters, it's all proper the way it should look. And do look at the pictures underneath the car on our website, volocars.com. You'll see what I'm talking about. Outstanding metal, and then it's been maintained as far as, new bushings or whatever it needed along the way. Ooh, keys in the trunk. But just think how rare this is. Out of 628 made, how many are still around? How many had factory air with steering and brakes in great colors? Runs real well, actually. Yeah, motor runs nice. All stock manifolds, the correct dual snorkel air cleaner. The original trim tag is still here. The trim tag matches up to the car just the way you see it. That runs good. Nice and snappy, responsive. And this is not warmed up. It's actually cold outside. We just pulled this car in out of the cold. It was not even running very long at all. So yeah, that runs nice. I gotta say the body fits real well. So there you have it, rare car. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a whole staff of people that can answer questions about the car, shipping, financing. Let's go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I appreciate everyone that's been watching our videos and all the positive feedback we've been getting. If you subscribe, that's the best way to see the videos as they come out. So thanks for your time and come back for more.